Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're showing you items that came into the shop, and we want you to go to our YouTube channel or to mumfordrestoration.com and take a look at the things we restore and bring us something that you want to have restored. This is a really beautiful buffet, mahogany and a banded mahogany on the top and maple inlay and some satin wood inlay along the edges, and this was in a pretty significant fire here in North Carolina. And so you can see that the finish has been completely corrected. It was really a lot of smoke and some water damage from the fire department. And so this is the after and the conclusion, and we'll be delivering it this week. And this is one of those customers that their house was so devastated by the fire that they've had to try to build a relationship with us. And so they started out with, let's do a couple of pieces of art and see how it turns out. Let's do a couple of pieces of furniture. And so as we've gone along, we're having some confidence built with us and the customer. And so now they have about 50 pieces for us to restore, and we've gone just a few at a time so that they could feel, wow, it's gonna turn out great. So each of these items have built confidence for the customer. We hope to be able to help them all the way through the tragedy so that their house comes back to feeling somewhat like normal. Hey, we're back together again. So this is a great example of building up the confidence of the customer. You can see a beautiful brass trim and everything's been brightened. It looks just as when it was made from the factory. Gorgeous piece of furniture. Thanks for watching.